How to check Snapchat trash bin. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen, and here simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. So as you tap on the settings, simply scroll down and you can see the option of My Data at the very end of the screen. Select on My Data, and here what you can do is you can simply select all the data that you need or that you want to see that has been in the trash bin as well. So you'll be able to select all the data over here on the list of My Data. So you can just see all this chat history, your shopboard history and everything. So you can simply tap on Next. You can select or choose a date range, confirm email address, and then simply tap on submit, and you just have to mention your email address and it will send all the data to your email ID. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.